Hello, welcome to another Product Manager Minute. My name is Lucas Nuss, WAGO's product specialist for tools, marking, and software. When it comes to the design process of panel building, WAGO has you covered. Our online, cloud-based 3D configuration tool, SmartDesigner, can help streamline the design process, saving valuable time on each project. SmartDesigner is accessible anywhere internet connection is available, and most importantly, this powerful tool is free. The configuration tool allows users to design their rail assemblies using a full library of WAGO components. Users will be able to add accessories such as jumpers and complete all marking necessary. That then can be sent directly to a smart printer. In addition to design, this configuration tool makes it easy to document all projects by creating PDF documentation, which will show detailed drawings and a parts list of everything used on the rail. Bill of materials can also be easily generated into a CSV file for streamlining ordering. SmartDesigner is full of additional features, and the best way to experience everything is to create an account today and start designing. To sign up for SmartDesigner for free from WAGO, visit our website, click Products, and in the drop-down menu, click on SmartDesigner on the bottom right, or simply click the link in the text above. Thank you.